For Alphabet Incorporation Google Class A, our levels would be what? On 26 September, the high was $99.88 and the low was $97.80. This is the low and this is the high. So our entry on the positive side, on the buying side, is 101, and on the selling side, our entry is 96.5. Entry on selling side, entry on the buying side is given on the chart. Next, what do you need? You need what is the stop loss and what is the target. For the long position, stop loss is $1 and the target is $2. The first target is $2. We may extend this beyond intraday trading up to 2 days or 3 days or 5 days if we have a strong move. But according to the scenario now, it would be sideways market or it would be a falling market. So it would either open at this level as it shows 99.43 pre-market, or it may go down from this level. Now for the selling side, what we have, the stop loss for the selling side is $1 as of the buying side, but our target would be $2.5 on the selling side. So this is our target. You get the big picture clear? Yes? Thank you. The levels are almost the same for Google Class C. I am also providing the levels for this, where to buy, where to sell. Here, our entry would be, what would be our entry? It is decided upon the 100.44 high, which is given here, and the low is 98.38. So according to the high, our entry is 101.5. So our entry is 101.5 here, and our exit, our selling entry would be 97. Our selling entry would be 97 here. The stop loss and the target. Here's an interesting thing, that today this Google is going to be sideways here today. So there I am not expecting a big move. Even then, we are giving you the levels, the stop loss and the target levels. $1 stop loss and $2 target. On the selling side, on the short position, if you are making the short position, your target should be more than $2. You keep it 2.2, 2.5 or anything, and your stop loss should always be $1. You should not take more than that. Should be always be $1. Yes, this was for Google Class C, and Class A is already given to you earlier. Thank you. I just want to tell you that comment if you are profitable, and keep sharing the videos of this channel with your friends, and always play in the market with the stop loss. We are the disciplined trader, so stop loss is a must for us. Take trades, become profitable, and in the end, love you.